Understanding regenerative farming, a new harmony with nature. You see, regenerative farming is more than just a farming method. It's a philosophy. It's about working with nature, not against it. This approach focuses on rebuilding soil health and increasing biodiversity. It's about creating a farm that thrives in harmony with the environment. Traditional farming often depletes the soil and pollutes water. Regenerative farming seeks to reverse this damage. It helps the land heal and become more productive. This method benefits not only the farm but also the planet. Regenerative farming is a journey, not a destination. It requires observation, adaptation, and a deep respect for natural processes. It's about creating a sustainable future for generations to come. This guide will help you embark on your own regenerative farming adventure. Assessing your canvas. Unveiling the secrets of your soil. Before you plant a single seed, you need to understand your soil. Soil is the foundation of your farm. Healthy soil grows healthy food. It's teeming with life, from microscopic bacteria to earthworms. Each organism plays a vital role in soil fertility. Start by observing your land. What's the soil texture like? Is it sandy, clay-like, or loamy? What plants are already growing there? Their presence can give clues about your soil's condition. Next, conduct a soil test. A soil test provides detailed information about your soil's nutrient content and pH level. This information guides your decisions on soil amendments and crop selection. You can easily find soil testing kits online or at your local garden center. Luster Leaf Products and Whitetail Institute offer reliable and easy-to-use kits. They provide valuable insights into your soil's needs. Remember, understanding your soil is the first step towards regenerative success. The Blueprint of Abundance. Planning your regenerative farm. With a good understanding of your soil, you can begin planning your farm layout. This is where the principles of regenerative farming come into play. Think of your farm as a living organism, where each element interacts and supports the others. No-till farming is a cornerstone of regenerative agriculture. It minimizes soil disturbance, preserving its structure and beneficial microbial life. Instead of plowing, create planting beds by hand or use a no-till drill for larger areas. Cover cropping is another essential practice. It involves planting non-cash crops to improve soil health. These cover crops, like clover or rye, protect the soil from erosion, suppress weeds, and add nutrients back into the earth. Crop rotation is crucial for breaking pest cycles and balancing soil nutrients. It involves planting different crops in a specific sequence. This practice disrupts pests and diseases, reducing the need for chemical interventions. By incorporating these principles into your farm plan, you'll be well on your way to creating a thriving and regenerative ecosystem. Water, the lifeblood of your farm. Water is a precious resource on any farm, especially a regenerative one. Efficient water management ensures your crops thrive while conserving this vital resource. Traditional irrigation methods often waste water through evaporation and runoff. Regenerative farming embraces techniques that maximize water infiltration and retention. Swales, shallow ditches dug along the contours of the land, slow down and capture rainwater. They prevent erosion and allow water to seep into the soil, replenishing groundwater and hydrating plants. Drip irrigation systems deliver water directly to the roots of plants, minimizing evaporation and maximizing efficiency. When choosing a drip irrigation system, consider the size of your farm and the specific needs of your crops. Netifim and Rainbird offer a range of drip irrigation systems suitable for various farm sizes and crop types. By implementing these water-wise practices, you'll ensure the sustainability and resilience of your regenerative farm for years to come. Compost is often called black gold by gardeners and farmers, and for good reason. It's a nutrient-rich soil amendment that fuels plant growth and enhances soil structure. Composting is the process of decomposing organic matter, such as leaves, food scraps, and animal manure, into a valuable resource. Creating a compost pile is simple. Start with a mix of brown materials like dried leaves and straw and green materials like kitchen scraps and grass clippings. A good ratio is about 2 parts brown to 1 part green. Turn the pile regularly to provide oxygen for the decomposers. Compost bins come in various sizes and materials. Choose one that suits your needs and available space. The Yimby Tumbler Composter is an excellent option for smaller farms, while larger farms might prefer a multi-bin system. By composting on your farm, you're closing the loop on waste and creating a valuable resource for a thriving ecosystem. Animals play a crucial role in a regenerative farming system. They're not just sources of food and fiber, but also valuable partners in maintaining soil health and controlling pests. By integrating animals into your farm, you can mimic the natural cycles found in healthy ecosystems. Chickens, for example, are excellent foragers. They can be moved through pastures after cattle have grazed, where they'll scratch through cow manure, spreading it and controlling fly larvae. Ducks can be integrated into rice paddies where they'll eat pests and fertilize the water. When choosing livestock for your farm, consider your climate, land, and personal preferences. Heritage breeds, known for their hardiness and adaptability, are often a good choice for regenerative systems. By integrating animals thoughtfully, you'll create a symbiotic relationship that benefits both your livestock and your land. Trees and perennials are essential components of a resilient and biodiverse farm. They provide numerous benefits including erosion control, wildlife habitat, and long-term soil improvement. Incorporating them into your farm design is a wise investment in the future of your land. Planting trees along fence lines and waterways creates windbreaks, reducing soil erosion and providing shade for livestock. Fruit and nut trees offer an additional source of food and income. Perennial crops like asparagus and berries require less annual tilling and provide ongoing yields. When selecting trees and perennials, prioritize native species adapted to your local climate and soil conditions. Local nurseries can offer guidance and a wide selection of suitable plants. By integrating trees and perennials, you'll be creating a more robust and sustainable farming system. Biodiversity is the hallmark of a healthy and resilient ecosystem. A diverse farm, teeming with a variety of plants and animals, is better equipped to handle pests, diseases, and changing climate conditions. Embrace biodiversity as a core principle of your regenerative farming journey. Planting a diversity of crops, including flowers that attract beneficial insects, is a great way to encourage biodiversity. Create hedgerows with native shrubs and trees to provide habitat for birds and other wildlife. Leave some areas undisturbed to create natural havens for insects and small animals. By providing food, water, and shelter, you'll attract a diverse range of creatures to your farm. These creatures, in turn, will contribute to the health and balance of your land. Remember, a biodiverse farm is a resilient farm, better able to withstand challenges and thrive for generations to come. The rewards of regenerative farming extend far beyond the abundant harvests you'll reap. As you nurture your soil, water, and biodiversity, you'll witness a transformation. Your farm will become a haven for wildlife, a source of clean air and water, and a testament to the power of working in harmony with nature. Financially, regenerative farms often experience lower input costs due to reduced reliance on synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. The higher quality of their products can command premium prices in the marketplace. More importantly, the legacy you leave behind is invaluable. By embracing regenerative farming, you're contributing to a healthier planet for future generations. You're becoming a steward of the land, protecting its resources and ensuring its continued abundance. This is the true harvest of regeneration, a legacy of sustainability, resilience, and a deep connection to the natural world. Embarking on the journey of regenerative farming can feel overwhelming at times, but you don't have to do it alone. A wealth of resources, from books and organizations to online communities and mentors, are available to guide and inspire you along the way. Books like One Straw Revolution by Masanobu Fukuoka and Dirt to Soil by Gabe Brown offer invaluable insights into the principles and practices of regenerative agriculture. The Rodale Institute and the Savory Institute are excellent resources for research-based information and educational programs. Connecting with other regenerative farmers in your area or online can provide invaluable support and shared experiences. Attending workshops and conferences allows you to learn from experts and network with like-minded individuals. Remember, the journey of regenerative farming is ongoing, and continuous learning is key to success. As you delve deeper into the world of regenerative farming, you'll discover that it's more than just a set of practices. It's a way of life. It's about reconnecting with the land, understanding the interconnectedness of all living things, and working in partnership with nature to create a more sustainable and abundant future. The challenges facing our planet, from climate change to food insecurity, require innovative and holistic solutions. Regenerative farming offers a path forward, a way to heal the planet while nourishing its people. By embracing this approach, you're becoming part of a growing movement, a community of stewards dedicated to creating a brighter future. The legacy you leave behind starts with the choices you make today. Choose to farm in a way that regenerates the land, supports biodiversity, and creates a healthier planet for generations to come. The future of farming is regenerative, and it's in your hands. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for more content like this. We've included links to the products discussed in the description.